Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos salsa at home. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll want to gather fresh, ripe tomatoes, a crisp onion, vibrant cilantro, and a jalapeno for that perfect kick. Don't forget a fresh lime, a clove of garlic, and some salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and authentic homemade salsa that will elevate any nacho experience. Now, let's get to the preparation. Carefully dice about 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 1 small onion into fine pieces. Next, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. For the jalapeno, you can mince one, and if you prefer less heat, simply remove the seeds. Finally, mince 1 clove of garlic. Combine all these freshly chopped ingredients into a mixing bowl. This is where the magic happens. Squeeze the juice from 1 whole lime directly over your chopped ingredients. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are evenly distributed. For the best taste, let your salsa rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Your delicious homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. It's absolutely perfect served fresh with a big bowl of crispy tortilla chips. Beyond nachos, this versatile salsa also makes a fantastic addition to tacos, burritos, or even grilled chicken. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.